My name is Derek.
And my name is Calvin.
And we're the Intergalactic Brothers! We love learning about space and science.
We hope that you will learn with us.
Please like and subscribe!
Today we're gonna learn all about Earth! First, we're gonna tell 6 fun facts about Earth.
We might throw in some bonus facts. Then we're gonna replace Earth's moon with the other planets and to see how colossal it is and see what will happen. What do you think will happen?
I thought it would engulf Earth.
The event. Who's ready to learn about Earth? Is it you?
Is it you?
Zoom, 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 zoom.
First fact about Earth, that a day on Earth is 24 hours. A year on Earth is 365 Earth days.
We're going into the bright side of Earth,
where we could zoom in even more.
Can you see Mexico over there? See where I'm pointing? That could be Mexico. Where do you live on Earth?
Here's the real Earth without its atmosphere.
Look, you can see the polar ice cap. Fact number 3.
The average temperature of Earth is 61 degrees Fahrenheit. Sometimes it gets hotter and sometimes it gets colder. It was in the 30s today. That was crazy. And sometimes it gets well over 100 degrees.
Fact number 4. Earth's only moon is the moon. The moon that you see in the night sky.
Which is called Luna.
Yeah, it is. It's usually called the Luna, but people always call it the moon.
Fact number 5. Earth has more than 2/3 of water on it.
That means 1/3 of Earth is land. Just look at
more than 2/3.
So less than 1/3 of Earth is land. Just look at how much sea there is. Fact number 6. There is 2 poles. The Arctic and the Antarctic. And I'll tell you one animal that lives in each pole. Penguins live at Antarctica.
Beep, beep. Penguins live in Antarctica. Peep, peep, peep. Peep, peep.
And then the polar bears live in the Arctic. Polar bears live in the Arctic. What else lives in the North Pole?
It's like snow owls and Arctic
foxes, and sometimes even a few people. Santa Claus even lives in the North Pole.
Who's ready for some bonus facts?
Earth is the only planet in the solar system and that we know of that have
Life.
I'm really glad Earth has life. I'll tell you each of 7 continents. Here we go. North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia.
Hey, where did Australia are?
Australia is just right there.
Okay, and now to the very bottom.
Antarctica.
That's Antarctica at the bottom.
Earth is the biggest rocky planet in the solar system. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun.
The 3rd. Not the 4th. 3rd. And not 2nd or 1st. And not 5th or 6th or 7th or 8th.
And then here's another fun fact. Earth is in the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone. You could have read the Goldilocks and the 3 bears. It's kind of like that. When you try and land on a planet too close to the sun or a star, you'll just go burn. But if you go too far from the sun, you'll freeze. But if you were just gotten the right combination of warm and cold, you can have life in there and happily ever after. There are potentially other planets in the habitable zone or the Goldilocks zone that could have life. Aliens think us humans are aliens, and we think aliens are aliens. That kind of sounds very funny. Who's ready to see the moon getting replaced by different planets? Okay, there's the moon over there. Place object. So let's replace the moon with Mercury. Now Mercury's. So doesn't look like much.
So, but why not we add Mars now?
Mars. Replace. Okay, Mars sounds a little bigger.
What about Venus? Let's do Venus now.
Mars sounds a tiny bit bigger, but it looks a tiny bit bigger.
But let's do Venus now and see what it looks like.
Okay, Venus is almost the same size of Earth. Look, Venus. Okay, Venus looks much better.
So we could now, let's do Neptune.
To Neptune. Okay, now Neptune is a lot much greater and is a lot bigger.
So now let's do Uranus. Uranus is a little bit bigger than Neptune.
Now? Ooh, okay. Now this is...
Now do Saturn.
Okay, look how big Uranus is.
A Saturn to us.
Saturn? Imagine. Look at that!
Do a Jupiter.
Okay.
Maybe we could even do a 51 Pegasi B. Yep. Jupiter.
With the largest planet
in
our solar system. Look at that.
Should we try to do a 51 Pegasi B?
Of course. 51 Pegasi B is one of the first exoplanets discovered, and it's a lot bigger than Jupiter.
Like 5 times bigger.
My guess, well, not really my guess, but we think it's 5 times.
It is.
Okay, it is.
Because I've seen.
Okay. 51 Pegasi B.
Replace.
Look at that.
We're gonna unpause it and see what action happens.
Okay. Okay, it sounds like Earth is going right towards... Yep. That's what's just happening. Bye-bye, Earth. That's exciting. So it looks like that Earth have crashed into 51 Pegasi B, and see that mark going? And
That's
left.
an explosion.
That's so crazy.
We hope you learned so much about Earth. What do you even say?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Don't get your head out of the camera.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.
Pretty please subscribe, or I'll tell your mother.